I'm sure you've heard the news. Mnangagwa's silence on Mugabe's death anniversary is louder than words. September 6th marked the 4th anniversary of Robert Mugabe's death, and President Emerson Mnangagwa's silence has sparked rumors of political unrest. Mugabe, ousted in a 2017 coup after 37 years in power, left a legacy that still divides Zimbabwe, and Mnangagwa, his former deputy, now faces growing scrutiny. Critics accuse Mnangagwa of perpetuating Mugabe's authoritarian style, and his silence on this anniversary has fueled speculation of fear within his own ranks, with Zimbabwe's economy in turmoil and political tensions running high. The stakes are higher than ever. The opposition Citizens Coalition for Change demands political reforms and fair elections, while Mnangagwa's government battles accusations of corruption and human rights abuses. In a nation on edge, Mnangagwa's silence isn't just absence of words. It's a loud political statement.